Hey guys, it's that time of month again where I show you guys my investment portfolio and all the transactions I did throughout the month. And again, I plan to do a short update every single month as to be transparent with my viewers. And let's just say that this month I actually lost money in my portfolio. I didn't make any money. I mean, this month my portfolio has been so up and down. And if you didn't watch my previous video, about a third of my portfolio is in American tech stocks. Actually, just 5 American tech or semiconductor stocks. They are Nvidia, TSM or Taiwan Semiconductor Company, technically a Taiwanese company, AMD, Google, and Tesla. I mean, if we look at just last month, I lost about just over $3,000 Canadian. My currency on Delta Investment Tracker is in Canadian. But just this past week, I'm up $7,700, which means my portfolio is just all over the place. But really, my portfolio is basically dictated by US tech stocks. For example, Tesla. Earlier on this month, we had the news that the EV sales has gone down, whereas the hybrid sales has gone up, which obviously hit the Tesla stock prices pretty hard. However, today we got news that Tesla made significant progress in China, which drove the stock prices right up. Obviously, when you're investing in US tech stocks, you're expecting high volatility. But then again, I'm young. At least I think I am. So I can ride the waves and I'm okay with that. Now this month, I didn't add any new money into my portfolio. That's not to say that I didn't add any investments, because I did. I basically reinvested all my dividends into ZEM, which is an ETF for emerging markets. I'm looking to diversify my portfolio a little bit more. I mean, a third of my portfolio is in just 5 US tech stocks. And I'm looking to invest in markets with long-term growth potential. And investing in emerging markets fits right into my strategy. I mean, just whenever possible, I just invest into ZEM whenever I get my dividends. So 2 today, 2 on the 23rd, 4 on the 16th, 6 on the 4th. I mean, you get it. So my portfolio generates about $450 every single month, and this month I invested all into ZEM. Now, usually every single month I try to put some money into my investments, cause consistency in investing is important. But this month I made a big purchase. Now, if you watched my shorts, you'll know that I bought a new car. Now, we all know that the housing cost in Canada has gone up. But what's less talked about is how car prices has gone up dramatically since COVID. The average cost of a new car has seen an increase of 50% since 2020, which during 2020, the average cost of a new car was $40,000. Now it's more like 60,000 Canadian. Yeah, people can blame supply chain disruptions, but the reality is everything is getting more expensive, from raw materials, labor, shipping, and plus the demand of hybrids and plug-in hybrids is through the roof right now. I waited 2 years to get my plug-in hybrid. And if you don't want to wait, I mean, plug-in hybrids are selling for way over MSRP in the used market. It's unbelievable. Take the RAV4 Prime for example. A car that has an MSRP of $59,000 sells for $6,000 above the MSRP in the used market. And that's considered a good deal. So I spent about $50,000 on my car, which I paid fully in cash, which obviously this month hurt my cash flow quite a lot. So this month, it kind of delayed me putting money into my investments. Correction, I didn't put any money into my investments. So my portfolio strategy going forward is actually pretty straightforward. Keep putting money and investing every single month into my portfolio, cause consistency is key, and probably invest in more ETFs than individual stocks. Cause I mean, 33% of my portfolio is in just 5 US tech stocks. 33%, that's a little bit too deep. I'm hoping to average that down to maybe 25% in the future. Now, if you're wondering which program I use to track my investments, it's mentioned in my title, which is Delta Investment Tracker. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. I can be as honest as possible. I mean, they gave me a free pro membership, but again, I can be as honest as possible. But they're nice enough to offer me 5 free 1-month pro memberships to my viewers. So if you're interested in trying out Delta Investment Tracker and also interested in trying out their 1-month free pro membership, easy, just DM me at listmanfinance on Instagram. You don't even have to follow me. Would be nice if you do, and I'll appreciate you. The first 5 people to DM me on Instagram will get 1 month free pro membership on Delta Investment Tracker. Anyways, that's it for today. I know it's a shorter video because this is basically just a portfolio update, but yeah, yeah, comment down below on your investment strategy. Like and sub will always be appreciated. And if you're new to the channel, I make financial tips for Canadians in my long form content and financial comedy in my shorts. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time.